Hey guys, Justin here with ImageWorks Painting. This week we're going to show you how to set up and tear down a spray pump like a professional. This is Manny, he's our production manager and he's going to walk us through the steps. Alright, before we stick the sprayer in the paint, we're going to go through a couple of the different parts of the sprayer here. So here will be your on-off switch, your pressure valve. This will be what you use to select between priming it and then being ready to spray. And this here will be the uptake or the suction that goes inside the paint to suck it through the machine. This is the actual pump of the machine itself, and you will hear that running as you're spraying. We'll go ahead and load it into some paint, and we'll go ahead and flush out the line and show you what it looks like. Alright, so you'll want to have an extra bucket handy. What we're going to do is, as we turn this on here, it's going to get a little loud, but basically we're trying to first get the air out of the pump itself, not out of the hose and the gun, but out of the pump itself. That will fill it, and then we will flip that switch down here, and it will start to push the paint through the hose itself, out through the gun. So what you'll be looking for is the paint to start coming out of here in a steady stream. So you can see the storage fluid come out first. See how it's starting to get milky? What you're going to be looking for is a solid stream of paint coming out of it. See how it's starting to get thicker and thicker? Alright, when you heard that noise change, that's the piston actually starting to pressurize the pump.
You're ready to go. You release the lock, and we have installed the tip, and your system is ready to spray.
Guys, what we've done so far is we've swapped the primer here out for a bucket of clean water. It doesn't look clean anymore because remember that intake hose sits inside the paint. So as soon as you drop it in the water, you just want to stick your hand in there, kind of rub the paint off of it, and make sure that it's nice and clean. After we run this water through here once, we will clean the water out and run it through again to make sure that everything is nice and clean. After that, we'll run some lacquer thinner through here and make sure that it's ready for storage. So same idea here. You're going to put this back into the prime position. And what we're doing is we're cleaning out the piston and the pump here first. When you start to see the water come through, what you'll see is you'll actually see the paint on the side of the bucket start to get cleaned down into your slot. Right about now. See how it's not leaving any new color? That means we're ready to switch this valve back this way. Alright, that's it for this week. That's how you go ahead and set up a pump, clean it back out. We'll see you guys again next week where we'll show you how to paint a wall with a sprayer.
See you guys next time.